Hi, this is Martin Staley with Blueberried and I have this tent and I don't want it to blow away, and so I'm going to put a tent weight on one of the legs. And so I have what's a lark's head hitch on this jug. Do you see?
Yeah.
And so I'm going to move it over to here, and you want it tied as tight to the leg as you can get it, and then go around a few times. And here's the tricky part, because you have to tie it somehow. And so what you can do is you can go around with one of them, and then back, and then back under the handle, and then you just tie it as you would your shoes. I'm sure there are many other great videos on how to do that. There we go. Ta. Now, at least this part of my tent will not blow away.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Don't kill each other.
Bye.